Olha aí, gurizada, que legal que a gente tá fazendo. Trilha, olha aí. Muito massa, né? Vai ser muito divertido. A gente tá andando, tem muita poeira. E a trilha é bem fácil, então não tem muito o que se preocupar. Mas o cenário é muito bonito aqui. Tô curtindo horrores, é muito bonito. Dê uma olhada. So today, it is August 26th and we're gonna start our trip to Costa Rica in Latin America. How crazy is that, huh? So get ready, you're gonna love it. Costa Rica. So guys, we're here at Papagayo's. I'm having my special Andy on the beach. That is a version of Sex on the Beach. I'm gonna go for a salad steak. And we are getting ready for the trip, man. Let's go. Warming up. Super good, right? Super good. The sauce is perfect. It's hot, and actually it is. Just took care of us. Yeah. I clap when I'm excited. Here we go. How gorgeous is that? Landing at night, but really bad weather in Costa Rica. Yeah. So guys, here we go. We just arrived here. Yay! So we just arrived here in Costa Rica, in Latin America. Yay! La inmigración. So they are doing social distancing. It's really nice, and also the traveling process to check for COVID is really nice, really modern. So you fill in a website and you show that you have certificate that you got vaccinated, kind of your vaccine card, and that you're like you have your immunization, right? Or you can also have like a travel insurance up to a certain amount to cover in case you get sick with COVID. So you can be kind of like in quarantine. Everything online, and you just fill in and they give you a QR code and you're ready to go. Then you come here. Now we're gonna present the documents and just go through. No visa required at the moment. Not for Americans, neither Brazilians. So it's good. So they take pictures, temperature, everything. Look how nice. Facial recognition. Oh, it's super modern. Nice airport. The airport is modern, beautiful, clean, and damn, the immigration is huge, man. So the airport is awesome. The immigration is really cool. People are super polite. Everything is beautiful, clean. This is awesome. Take a look. And the immigration people are super polite, super nice, friendly. I was speaking in Spanish with them, and then they even connect more with you, right? So it was awesome. Great first experience when arriving here in Costa Rica. Que rica!